How are you doing, guys? Today on this Friday night, we are harvesting stuff.
Yeah, it's episode 2. We just ended off. I don't know why I said episode 2. I think this is episode 6 because
Seven, I
last one.
think. Seven. I think that last
Oh
one.
well, last episode we said was 5th in the video, but we just ended off with one episode of our corn harvest. Now we're finishing.
Oh, I
Marshall,
know.
I'm at
Corn harvest?
92.
Oh,
Head
our corn
over,
harvest?
head over, head over with the auger wagon. I'm at
I know.
93.
Alright, I gotta run all the way there. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't even want to flip my Crocs in the four-wheeler drive.
You're wearing your Crocs. I'm wearing my dudes. They
Crocs.
didn't want to switch them. They were just too comfy. I slept in them last night.
Dude, if I turn my Crocs to four-wheel drive, I just won't like fly. Where are you?
I'm like in the northern section.
Hold on. Hold on. Lagged out. Alrighty. Hold on. I am coming.
Alright.
Watch this drift. Perfect drift. Hold on.
You need to stop doing that. I'm gonna hire a different
No, dude, that was such a
grain
good
wagon.
one, dude. It was such good.
I know, but that's some expensive stuff, and you are not treating it too good.
Alright. Hold on. Turning around right now. Here, I'll back up.
The beach is the cold one.
Oh crap! I haven't gotten a good
Yep. You're turning away from farming.
It's fine. It'll just spill down the side, I guess.
Alright. You can hear me, right?
Yep.
Alright, good. Here, Johnny?
Yeah.
Where are you? Or what percentage are you at? Cause, oh, my bad.
56.
I'm sorry. I am sorry. Alright.
I'll be completely full by the time I come down.
Yep.
When my pipe is actually facing the right way. Guys, Ryder.
Yeah.
Ryder's not in here. We're still waiting for him to get to the farm. He's always late, I swear. What'd you say?
Always late to
Says,
work.
where are you at?
Yeah, he's always late to work. I think he's still in what's to the north? Grundyville?
Text him back. On your phone.
What'd you say, Johnny?
Text him back on your phone.
He hasn't texted me.
Or group chat.
He hasn't texted it.
Yeah, the work group chat.
He's always late to work. I'm gonna start to hire someone else. I'll just cut some of his paycheck out.
Yeah.
Always late. And normally he doesn't even show up.
Oh yeah. He's always doing that.
I don't think he's ever shown up with me on the job.
Yeah, actually, he's never showed up yet.
Oh, come on. Why do you guys not have the tarp down?
Because it rained last night. Remember, I was trying to do the
Not hurt nothing. They get dried. Oh.
Run, run, run. We still have 2 fields to do after this.
Really? Are they both corn?
Yeah. One of them's like half this, and then the other one's is we did corn last year on.
Johnny, how full is your grain tank?
Almost 90. May as well just get behind me. It's almost 90 because you may as well get behind me.
You're that dude named Tyler Childers?
Oh, dude, I love him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's like one of my favorites.
Yes, sir.
Staying right behind Johnny.
Oh yeah. Getting her done, son.
Right behind him.
You know that Coetzel dude?
Yeah, I've heard one song about him. Well, I don't know.
Didn't I show you that dude?
What guy?
Coetzel?
Yeah,
Bug guy?
Yeah, I like that dude.
I do. Jelly Roll, have you heard his song? He's
Son of a
yeah, dude, I love that song.
Yeah. We actually are having a concert together pretty soon down in Illinois.
No, overstood. I might go there.
I've asked my mom.
Yeah.
I don't know though, cause I want to go to a concert, but
Hey! What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
I want to go to Luke Bryan next year, but I want to go to Tyler Childers or Zach Bryan, but those are gonna be pretty hard to find.
Yeah. I couldn't do something like that. I get nervous. I get nervous about big crowds, so.
Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do, cause I think I'm gonna go to Supercross this year. Well, I don't know. I think I'm only gonna go to one Supercross because St. Louis isn't open and Minneapolis isn't open.
Wait, they
I would
aren't? Or they are?
They took them out this year. They have Nashville and
What?
yeah, they had in Nashville
Dude,
and
St.
something
Louis
else.
is the best, dude. I love that one, dude. It was so good.
My aunt went to Minneapolis last year, and ever since I've been wanting to go. And of course, they had shut it this year, but
Dude,
whatever. I still want to go to
last
Indy.
year St. Louis was good.
I
watched that.
I think I met 10 people.
Huh.
Snuck into the pits. You already know.
Okay.
To the pits.
Not supposed to?
You're supposed to have like a presidential.
But you have VIP. Or that's Indiana.
Back to farming. I kind of want to get something pretty soon. I got some money saved up. I don't know what I want to get though.
Like what?
I don't know. I don't really know what I want to get, but I'll have to get something. I think Ryder just texted me. I think he's gonna be over here pretty soon.
Yeah.
Guys, you gotta be quiet. I gotta drift. Hold on.
I don't need bells and bells and I've got about 3 rows left in this.
Hold on, I want to see something real quick. Do what? Oh, sorry. I don't believe the light.
Oh, I am messing this up. Just driving a little bit crooked.
Anyway.
See on those new, there's a new 12-row header down.
Dealership, they have those stock stoppers on there.
Huh.
I kind of like it when the stocks are out.
Ba 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 ba.
Yeah, we could use a 12 head.
I gotta go take a tinkle.
I think I'm gonna keep. I think I'm gonna still run just these 8 rows on them.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. I had a nice tinkle.
Good. For how old that my 90, what is it, the 4955 I think it is. That thing is in mint condition.
Probably rebuilt it. Probably like rebuilt it.
What'd you say?
Probably rebuilt it.
Oh yeah, I think I could. If I'm not selling that thing ever because that was grand. Probably get 100 grand off that baby. Just because it was originally a 4440, but then I upped it to a 4955.
How you want to get that much? Trust me.
I'm swimming in the corn.
Looked at a Waterloo boy, and not even those things are going for that price.
A water?
If you bought one.
A Waterloo boy?
Yeah, some are actually for sale.
Dude, why would you even touch one of, like, why would you sell one of those? That's like one of the first.
They're like $80,000, but they're for sale. And they have Watt 17s for sale.
No, they're like, it's a tractor, Michael. It's like one of the first, like, John Deere.
It's the first John Deere tractor ever.
Wait, hold on, wait.
But it was called a Waterloo boy.
Wait, where is it?
25 horsepower, 3.4 mile an hour.
What's it under?
Oh, yeah.
It's not in here.
What?
No, Michael, it's like old. Like, it doesn't even have a
Like
tab.
1915.
Huh?
Where is it at?
It's not in here.
Around that time. No, they probably don't even make a mod for it on PC.
That'd be so hard.
That'd be so cool if you had one though, like a mod.
Role play. I would like to maybe get cattle eventually. But no,
Yeah.
This map is kind of like, it wouldn't be too good for cattle. I feel like you just don't have the right land. Well, at Marshall's old place, I mean, I feel like you could put a pasture out in one of his grass fields. Because it was a little bit hilly over there at the bottom. Have the creek run through it, it'd be perfect.
Uh-huh.
I didn't realize.
Alrighty. Okay, my line. How old are you?
94. You're gonna get it perfect. 96. 97. There you go. Stay right over there, alright? I might have to move. Hey! I'm not paying you.
No. I mean,
Hey, look it.
we should get
Hey, look it again. Look it again.
Why are you looking?
Did you talk for sure, dude?
No.
Looking for like 40 yourself, bro.
I don't need a lighter.
I don't need the water.
Ever hear of this game called MX Bikes? Oh wait, we're not recording. I'm
Yeah, we are.
kidding. Y'all ever hear of that game called MX Bikes? I think I might maybe do a video on it a little bit. Record some footage. Yeah, cause I mean, I am like in the mood for flying on MX Bikes. I probably play it once every 3 months, and for how often I play it, I think I'm fast. Wait, Marshall, am I fast for how often I play it?
I guess.
I've played it 3 times. I just like getting on the Alta with some fat lips.
I might make an MX bike. On a second. You wanna know what MX bikes doesn't require?
Editing. Yes.
FS.
Yeah, I gotta edit. So that's gonna suck.
Hey Marshall, can you switch me out? I am getting really bored harvesting. I've been harvesting
Hold on, let me dump it.
pretty much every day recently.
Me what I ought
How
to
fast
do.
am I running right now?
Like 20 miles an hour. You're stopping. How are you running 20 miles an hour backwards?
I don't know.
What, bro? You say Bolt?
Now wait, now let's race forward.
Oh my gosh. Unload so weird. Whoopsie. What was that, Michael?
Ah, heck yeah.
Okay, go.
Alright, ready? Go for it. I'll let you get a head start. Alright, wait, no, match speeds with me. Match speeds with me. Alright, hop out.
Keep running. Oh, 19 miles.
Jeez. Alright, hop out real quick.
Okay, you saying Bolt?
Hey!
Hey, I think I'm gonna get off and edit.
Wait, why don't you do harvester and just do a little bit of footage?
I gotta get off and edit, guys. So I will next
Wait.
video.
Alright, so I say next video we do some MX bikes, alright?
Yeah, that's what I was.
Now we may be done with this field, but we're not gonna start any fields without you guys, which we probably won't do finish this field because I think I might play enough bikes pretty soon.
Yeah, I'm full.
Alright, I'm heading over.
Yep. So
Like really full of crap. I got pop.
later.
Or can you unload me?
Yep.
When are you gonna start again? We'll cut that part out. Alright, well,
I can't.
well, come on with me.
I am.
After you get him, you need to get me, Marshall. Ryder's texting me. He's coming to work.
What are we gonna have him do?
I don't know.
Cause Marshall's grain wagon. I don't know what we're gonna have him do. Marshall, what are we gonna have him do?
Semi?
No, we're in the middle of a harvest, Marshall. No, let him do. Well, I feel like I don't know if it'd be too good on a semi. I don't know if he'll do too good with the semi. I think he'll do a little bit better with auger wagon.
What way are you?
Semi.
Ooh, I can fill people up with semi.
What do you mean?
Ryder takes one truck, I take the other truck. I take the semi, he takes the wagon.
Well, what are you gonna do with the semi? Oh, I get what you mean. But yeah, we gotta be careful over here though, on part of the field, because it's not too dry.
Marshall.
Yeah.
Coming?
Yep. Calling heavy.
I wonder how much liters we have of corn.
Oh!
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
I just turned a little bit. Honestly, I think this is way too
I'm gonna like end this row and then I'm gonna stop. Right, Marshall?
Hey, wait, Johnny, how many hours you got on that?
7.8.
I got 7.2 on this. How much is on the 8R already, Marshall? 2. Jeez, I think we just got that too.
What? How many hours?
2.1.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, just stop. Don't move.
Ready?
Hey, Johnny,
Yeah.
how'd you get home earlier?
Like, ying?
Huh?
Are we recording right now?
Yeah.
No matter.
What do you mean? Remember you were riding the track and then we had to go back, and then where'd you go? Like, how did you get home?
Through the trails?
Hmm.
I didn't see him.
Alright. Rather than that, they get caught by a cop.
Yeah.
Fill up on empty semi.
Do you think it was worth fertilizing this field?
There's 2.9
Michael. Michael.
What?
Do you think it was worth fertilizing this field?
No.
Really? That's what I think too.
I mean, the yield's amazing, but the yield has been amazing even before. I don't see Ryder, so I have to fire him. What just happened?
What?
Oh, never mind. I thought my game like lagged out like really bad, but it didn't.
watch yourself trucking for a while. I'm gonna watch those trucking for a while.
When are you guys going to bed?
I don't know. This is what I do whenever I see the grain wagon. You know how like the normal watch social media, you know how the normal people like what I do. I'm firing that rider guy. You know what? I'm cutting him off right now. If you don't show up in the next hour, even if he does, he's fired. The hour in the game. Or in the world. Because it goes by way faster than it feels, but what's up? Hey! Freak you!
In China we don't say hello, we say freak you! Oh my god, you knocked out the
Dang, dude.
football.
This whole entire field will have to be chisel plowed.
Yep.
You should look at the soil compaction.
I see it.
What is it? Is that bad?
I don't know, just looks funny.
Yeah, the red means soil compaction.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That means bad.
Pressure fields need to be picked.
Dislikable.
I used that rock picker, but I sold it.
14 is compacted.
Brings down yields. I think.
What, stone pickers?
No, it doesn't. It prevents your equipment from like
Dying.
Yeah, like getting
yeah, like damage to it.
What? Wait, what did you say?
Nothing.
Almost.
I kind of live here.